Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role of General Duty Assistant textbook for class 11th. In this session, we will learn about various activities of patient care in daily living. Activities of daily living are the basic activities performed by individuals on everyday basis to maintain themselves. These activities are bathing, washing, shaving, grooming and dressing. The ability to perform activity of daily living is used to determine medical status of person, especially for person with disabilities, younger children and the elderly. Assisting with activities of daily living is one of the primary responsibility of general duty assistant. A caring and friendly attitude can make all the difference in a patient's life. Helping in these activities reduces the stress of a patient to establish a regular routine for the day. Some of the helping tips that a general duty assistant should follow for specific activities in healthcare are: for bathing, do not lift the patient alone, use a thin towel to cover private parts, use bath stool, be careful to dry body folds such as between the toes, check for injuries and sore during bath time. For dental care, help patient to brush properly. Denture cleaning may be done by the caregiver and general duty assistant will have to assist the patient to set and remove the dentures. Care should be taken to place the denture properly or the patient will get sores in the mouth. For toileting, toilet area should be kept dry to avoid accidental fall. For easily reach to the toilet, use signage to the point the way. Have night lights, grab rails that the patient can use and clothing that can be taken off easily. Observe signs of constipation and dehydration so as to change diet and water intake accordingly. If the patient shows sign of pain while passing urine or during bowel movement, report to the doctor. Make sure that toilet seats have grab rail to make the sitting and standing trouble-free. Ensure proper wiping and proper washing of hands of the patient. Prefer diapers for outside visit and assist patient in wearing and removing diapers. For dressing, clothing should be easy and comfortable to wear. Avoid long clothes, replace sari with mid-length nightgown. Avoid clothes with zipper or buttons. Use shoes with velcro straps instead of shoes with lace. For eating, wash and assist the patient to wash hand before and after the meal. Ensure patient is taking meal timely. Food should be easily chewable by the patient. Meal should be served in clean, covered container and at the correct temperature. Care is to be taken to prevent transmission of disease through the food and drinks. Keep the patient in a sitting position for at least 30 minutes after the meal so they do not choke. Ensure adequate liquid and water intake by the patient. Record and report the quantity of food and liquid taken by the patient. Always keep track of medication dose to be taken timely by the patient. Now, let us outline what we have learned in this session. We explore about activities of daily living in which patient requires support of general duty assistant to maintain their daily routine. Our general duty assistant provides help to patient in bathing, eating, medication, dressing, toileting and dental care. So, this was all about daily care plan for inpatient services, and in next video we will cover session 3 of unit 3. Till then, enjoy learning.